Hey guys, this is Dale. I'm back again with Dale's Daily Hacks. Today I'll be making a video showing you how to replace, it's called a soffit vent, because I'll show you a video shortly that some of my vents here that's on the side of my house are missing. So I just went to Home Depot and got some things together, and I'll be showing that to you shortly on how I changed them out. Because if you don't, sometimes you can get a bird nest or a wasp nest in there, and you don't want wasp or bird nests in your attic. So I'll be showing you some videos of what I'm doing and how I fix the problem, and just making sure I don't have no rodents or anything kind of climbing in my house. Stay tuned. As you can see here, this one is missing basically like the mesh. It's missing, so I'm gonna replace that one. I did some of them. I'm just doing some touch-ups and have to cut some of the more of the mesh off. I went Home Depot and got the supplies. I'll be showing you that shortly. But I had like looked like a bird nest was probably built in there. I'm not sure if there's any birds in there, but I got my flashlight right now because I'm gonna go in here because I had a little wasp nest in here, so I need to see where it fell. If not, they're going to be trapped in there. Oh. So yeah, almost fell off the ladder. But yeah, so I'm doing that right now. The wasp nest might be stuck in there, I'm gonna be honest. But I'm gonna see if I can find it and get it out. But stay tuned. Here are some of the things I bought in order to get the job done. I'll be showing you what I did in a second. This is the mesh I had to buy. I got it all from Home Depot. Got me a little measuring tape, and these are my cutters to cut the wire. I'll show you the wire in a second. Yeah, but you'll be needing these things, and have some gloves too. Also, sorry about throwing them down like that, but you have some gloves because the wire can cut you. So you want to be careful with that. And I also had a drill and yeah, some drill bits, whatever I might need. Yeah, and you need a ladder, of course. But yeah, sometimes, you know, you got to do the job yourself. You can't always pay someone. Here's one of them that I did. You can see I still got the cut around it, or whatever the case may be, but it's up there, got the 4 screws. Nothing's gonna go inside. And here's the wire I was talking about. It's in a roll, as you can see. It's all rolled up. So once you measure it, just try to keep one piece. So once I roll this out now, unroll this here, and now I just know what size I need. So I can just cut it every time, So I'm not remeasuring it and wasting a lot of time. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoy my videos. I like to make my videos short, sweet, and simple, but I can't do that on this one. I'm by myself, recording myself and doing things like that. But I hope you guys have a great day.